to everybody. In the first of all, I'm glad because I'm here, and I must thank you to administration of the club because they trusted me and give the chance to train this team. I chose Anur Club without have a pressure, without have any question. Because why? Because I like the challenge, and I think and I have a trust in me and in the team to make a performance here. Yes, I have today evening. I have one training, just a little bit training, 1 hour to see the players. Yes, in my mind I have a vision, I have a plans, I have a rules from the game, from everything, and I see in this evening the capacity of player to perform. For that, I think the most important for me, it's the mind of player to have confidence and to want to change a lot of things what I have in my mind. What I see on the player, I'm glad. They are here, they are engaged to improve the handball, and for that I know it that to arrive to get aspiration, to get a target, it's a lot of work, and for that I'm here to work, and the player I hope to be glad and to be satisfied to work to get the target what the club, what the propose us. Thank you very much, and I hope to everybody to be happy, and everybody to enjoy, the people to come to see the team on the field, and to support us when it's hard game, when also it's when we lose also.